Here's what you need to know about what is change management. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Change management is a formal process for requesting, reviewing, approving, and implementing changes to a network or IT environment. It prevents unauthorized or poorly planned changes from causing outages. Every change, from firmware upgrades to firewall rule edits, should go through this process. Key concept: change request process. Before any change is made, a change request is submitted. It documents what will change, why, when, and what the rollback plan is if something goes wrong. Key concept: change advisory board CAB. A change advisory board CAB reviews and approves change requests before implementation. It includes stakeholders like network admins, security teams, and management. Key concept: rollback plan required. Every change must have a rollback plan. If the change fails or causes problems, the rollback plan restores the previous working state quickly and safely. Key concept: maintenance windows. Changes are scheduled during maintenance windows, planned periods of low user activity. This minimizes the impact of any issues that occur during the change. Let's look at the full breakdown. Step 1. Request. Submit change request form. Document purpose, scope, and risk. Step 2. Review. CAB evaluates the request. Assess risk and business impact. Step 3. Approve. CAB approves or rejects. Schedule maintenance window. Step 4. Implement. Make the change during window. Follow documented steps exactly. Step 5. Verify. Confirm change works as expected. Test rollback plan if needed. Here's a real-world example. A network admin wants to upgrade the firmware on a core router. They submit a change request detailing the upgrade steps, expected downtime, and a rollback plan to revert the firmware. The CAB approves it for a Sunday 2 a.m. maintenance window. The admin performs the upgrade, verifies routing is working, and closes the change ticket. Quick recap before you go. 1. Change management is a formal process for planning, approving, and implementing changes. 2. A change request documents what, why, when, and the rollback plan. 3. The CAB, Change Advisory Board, reviews and approves requests before implementation. 4. All changes must have a rollback plan to restore the previous state if needed. 5. Changes are scheduled during maintenance windows to minimize user impact. That's what is change management. Covered. Exam tip. Exam questions often ask what should be done before a network change. The answer is always, document a rollback plan. If a change fails and there is no rollback plan, recovery becomes guesswork. Next up, what is a network diagram? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.